guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just see my face for the first time, my name is Chisomceciliaokeke and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey my love, hey my darling, how you guys doing? Yeah, so it's a new vlog. This is a hair vlog. I'm going to do braids. I want to go do braids. You already know I showed you guys the attachment I got, and I don't know if I'm going to show you guys the attachment before I leave for the salon or in the salon actually, but I want to go do my hair today. I'm already late for my appointment, but I have to go do my hair today. I don't know if you guys can hear me, because you guys, I am back to my regular microphone, this one. The other one I got, it's been giving me issues. It has echo, so I can't use it. But then I want to get going. I have ordered my Uber. I'm going with my laptop. I'm going with my tripod just because I want to create content there as well, and I don't want to stress anybody's daughter telling the person to please film. No, I'm not going to do that. So I just want to wear sunscreen, and wear perfume, and yeah, I'll be on my way out. Okay, this is going to be a hair vlog. I'm just going to show you guys the hair I want to do. I always put it on the screen because I've looked for, I want to do knotless braids, so I'll put it on the screen so you guys see what I want to do. And yeah, I hope they get it right. Obviously they'll get it right because the salon I'm going to is very good. So yeah, let's get going. Yeah, I just washed my hair. It's still wet. Hopefully it gets dry before I get there. And yeah, doing knotless braids on my very short hair. Let's see how that works and let's see what comes out of it. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my way there. Okay. So I'm going with my laptop and I want to pack it, right? Normally I would use my laptop now, but I don't want to use my laptop now. This maybe this tote bag, my tote bag. So yeah, my laptop in. So hey guys, this is Chisom, voice over Chisom here. So yeah, this is me just waiting for my braider after I have gotten to the salon. You already know I'm in hair flip salon, and yeah, for my attachment I'll be using this Ayya hair I got off Instagram, 26 inches. Okay, the description will be everything you need to know about the hair will be in the description box. So we started off my hair, and if you do not know, I have a very short hair. My hair is really short, and when this lady was even braiding it, I was even wondering how she would be able to braid it. Not until she told me that she has to add a little attachment just so that she can pick the hair properly. For me, I was wondering, whatever works, just do it. Okay, I couldn't get a closer view of this process just because I didn't really know what she was doing till she got to the front. So behind, she didn't do knotless braids because my hair was very short to handle knotless braids, but she did knotless braids in the front much later. So yeah, if you want to do braids and you have a very short hair like mine, you can just tell your braider to fix an attachment to it and braid. That way they can as well pick your hair. That was the way they did mine. I'll show you guys the process of that right in front. Yeah, Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're still here. Please subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. I don't know if I said that before, but yeah. So what I was doing was just helping myself watch some YouTubers, watch some movies. I was just enjoying the process at this point, just because we just started off. So good thing about this braider was that as she was braiding my hair, she was just trimming as well, just so that it wouldn't be so cumulative for her. And moreover, we started not so early. The hair was just going all good, all well. I was enjoying the process at this stage, not until when I started begging God to release me and let me go. Yeah. So she started off the front, and while she started off the side, actually the side of my hair is very short, just because of the style of the hair I cut when I cut my hair. So this is where she added that attachment. I don't know if you guys can see it. She added it carefully just so that it will look very neat, and she made it very neat. Like, if you see my hair from the side, you wouldn't even know that there was something added to it. And that made me even wonder, like, how did you even think of this? Like, I was so impressed, because I didn't want a scenario where the short hair wouldn't be able to look good when I do the braids. And yeah, I was so excited. I was like, nice one. I gave her much accolades for that. And yeah. So we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We could try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. Before we fell out of love and we parted ways, we got too used to fighting. All we did was surviving. Maybe we can laugh at what we used to say, analyze all of the games that we played. Spent way too many nights wiping tears from my tired eyes. So if you're not taken, can we take some time? So we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We could try to find what we left behind. At this point, I was really tired. I was wondering, what a life. Who really sent me to do braids? Because I barely do braids. I was already admiring the hair. It was coming out all good. Like, I already started dancing. Like, this shakara is not here. I still helped myself to watch some YouTubers. Like I said, I was watching Yechi at this point. If you do not know Yechi, do check her out. She's actually a very good YouTuber. I enjoy watching her vlogs. And yeah, at this point, shakara no gree me. I was still doing the shakara. I was even wondering, God, let's just finish. Let me just go. Who really sent me? Good thing about this braider was that she was tying the ends of the braids. If you do not know something about silky braids, silky braids are really silky, like the name implies. And if you do not tie them properly, they are going to lose, and you don't want that happening to your hair. At this point, we are almost done. I was asking God, please take me out of this place. Let me just go. This was the last one, I guess, right? Yeah, this was the last one. I was already saying thank you, God. At this point, we are almost done. I was so excited. I was shouting, thank you, God. We were done at this point. I was so excited. Sorry if you hear I was so excited too much in this video, because I was really excited. Yeah. So we are trimming at this point. She was trying to get everything look very neat. She was trimming the hairs that came out while she was braiding. And yeah, we were just done at this point. Okay. So yeah, she was also trying to put the tip of the hair together, just so that some places wouldn't be longer than some places. This braider is very detailed. Like, I was so impressed. Here she's just applying some hair mousse and some oil sheen, so that the hair will be shiny. Yeah, so this is the finished look of my hair. If you guys can see how neat my hair is, can you guys see how excited I was? I was dancing already. Like, the hair was really, really, really neat. I enjoyed the process, and yeah, the hair is so beautiful, and I can't just say thank you enough to Hair Flip Salon for giving me this very new look that I really love. So here, this is few days later, and I'm still rocking my hair. I'm so impressed with the way the hair is, and yeah, I just kept screaming, I love my hair, I love my hair. I was so happy that I could even style it 2 days, I think 2 to 3 days later. I was already giving the hair some amazing styles. Can you guys see this style? Like, this is pre-coiled braids, and I can do any style that I want. I was so excited. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and just write a comment. What do you think about these braids? Do you think it's something that you'll be trying? And yeah, every detail you need will be in the description box, and if you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys.